Hello viewers, welcome to our channel. Today we begin with the good news about one of the world's most loved seafoods, and then move into a serious warning that affects oceans, businesses, and our own health. Lobster isn't just delicious, it's backed by science as a nutrient-rich food. Researchers note that lobster meat is high in lean protein, which is great for muscle repair and growth. It's packed with omega-3 fatty acids, supporting heart health and brain function. Lobster is also rich in vitamins B12 and B6, both needed for nerve health and energy. Plus, it's a good source of selenium, zinc, and magnesium, all of which boost immunity and cell protection. Because of these benefits, lobster is considered a high-quality, heart-friendly seafood around the world. Before we talk about the concern, it's important to understand how big the lobster industry is worldwide. North America, especially Canada and the United States, is one of the largest suppliers of lobster. In Nova Scotia alone, lobsters worth $821 million were caught in 2023, almost half of all lobster caught in eastern Canada. Globally, the lobster market is valued in billions of dollars, supporting thousands of fishermen, exporters, restaurants, and coastal communities. Countries like the United States, Canada, China, Europe, and Japan have strong demand for lobster, making it one of the most valuable seafood commodities in international trade. This is why any threat to lobster health is also a threat to a huge global industry. But, even though lobster is healthy and globally important, a new scientific concern is rising. A recent study published in Regional Studies in Marine Science found something that shocked researchers. Microplastics are now present in the edible tail meat of every lobster they tested in Nova Scotia. They discovered 6 to 7 microplastic particles per gram of meat. These microplastics enter the ocean from sources such as plastics from polyester clothing, plastics from marine-grade ropes and fishing gear, industrial adhesives and coatings. The pollution we throw away on land is traveling through rivers, oceans, fishing equipment, and now ending up inside seafood. The study also points to earlier research on other crustaceans, like crabs and shrimp, showing how microplastics affect marine animals. Microplastics can cause, in lobsters, inflammation in tissues, reduced oxygen consumption, poor nutrient absorption, cellular damage, loss of body weight, and, a higher mortality risk. This means lobsters may grow weaker, die younger, and become less healthy, which directly threatens the future of the lobster industry worldwide. Healthy oceans create healthy seafood, but polluted oceans harm both animals and economies. If microplastics continue to increase, lobster populations may drop, commercial fishing industries may face losses, and coastal communities depending on lobster trade may suffer. Consumer trust in seafood safety may decrease. For a business worth hundreds of millions of dollars every year, this is not a small issue. It's a global warning. Scientists have already detected microplastics in human blood lungs, and even placentas. Studies suggest microplastics may increase the risk of heart diseases, diabetes, fertility problems, premature births, inflammation, and some cancers. So the plastic waste entering the ocean is eventually entering us. Here's what we can do. Small steps, big impact. Say no to single-use plastics whenever possible. Support proper waste management and recycling. Reduce microplastic release by washing synthetic clothes less frequently. Choose sustainable seafood from responsible fisheries. Because saving the ocean is not just about marine life. It's about protecting our food, our health, and the future of a global industry that millions depend on. If you found this video useful, like, share, leave your valuable comments, and subscribe to our channel.